Getting started with Adobe Connect. Ahead of your session, plug in your headset or speakers and microphone and log into eClassesConnect.contactnorth.ca using Firefox, Chrome, or Microsoft Edge. Find your session and then click Attend. Ensure that you have the most current version of the application downloaded and choose Open in Application. When the meeting room opens, click on the ellipsis menu at the top right corner of the session window and select Speaker Microphone Setup. Follow the prompts to set up your audio equipment. Additional volume settings are found in the Speaker drop-down menu, and once you have microphone rights and connect your microphone, adjust its volume using settings found in the Microphone drop-down menu. If you wish, make adjustments in the chat pod to text size and color, and sound. If your host has enabled your webcam, make any necessary adjustments now. The meeting may be recorded, and this will be indicated by a red dot in the top left corner. To speak in the session, click on the microphone icon if it is enabled. To mute your microphone, click the icon again. If you are requested by the host to start your webcam, use the drop-down icon or the Start My Webcam button in the video pod. Throughout the session, you can give your feedback using the status menu. You can raise your hand, agree using a thumb up, disagree with a thumb down, or give other useful feedback to your session host. You can also use the chat pod to communicate by text message. If requested, use the Draw tools on the left to add markups to whiteboards or other content. These include text, symbols, shapes, and highlighters. If the host exits without ending the meeting, you can exit Adobe Connect from the ellipsis menu in the upper right corner and selecting Exit Room. However, in most cases, the host ends the meeting for everybody, and you will see either a message from the host or be taken to a selected website. For assistance with Adobe Connect 11, you can call the Contact North Help Desk at 1-888-850-4628. Or, for additional Adobe Connect meeting resources, please visit the participant help page at eClassesConnect.contactnorth.ca.